A sphere is created when one circle is combined with another circle and rotated. In clay, it is easiest to make two hemispheres and join them together. Select a ball the size you want to make the sphere. Using a string, measure half the sphere's circumference, making sure to go from the equator over the exact top and back to the equator. Cut the string at that point. Fold the string in half. And use that measurement to set a compass. On a slab of clay, draw a circle with the diameter the same size as half the circumference of the ball. Keeping your knife straight up and down, cut out the circle, recycling the clay that is left over. Place the original ball on a can or some other cylinder to keep it stable. To keep the clay from sticking to the ball, cover it with a damp paper towel. Center the clay circle on top of the ball and push down, pull up on the circle, so some parts touch the ball while others go out. The bigger the sphere, the more divisions. Globes smaller than 2 to 3 inches can just be condensed around the ball. Over that size, 2, 3, 4, and even more sections will be needed. Using a fettling knife, draw a line out from the center top on the crest of the upper divisions. Out a ways from the center, start on this line and draw a curved line down on one side of the bump. Draw another curved line going in the opposite direction on the other side of the bump. With the knife at a slant so the clay ends can be overlapped, cut on the line. Press the cut edge of the clay onto the ball. It should go straight down. With the knife at the same angle, cut on the other line. Remove the clay sections and check to make sure the clay ends fit together. Make sure the paper towel doesn't get stuck in the pieces being put together. If there is too much clay, cut some off. If too little, add some back in. Score both ends with a piece of comb and slip with a toothbrush in water. Place them together and gently press and smooth. Do this to all sections. Make sure the clay is pressed tight against the sphere. Next, the edge of the hemisphere needs to be cut straight so the two halves can be joined together. Draw a line from one low spot to the next around the bottom and cut it off. When the edge has been evened up, remove the hemisphere from the ball and place it on a board in a bag to stiffen up for a day. You will need two hemispheres to make a sphere. Create the second the same way you did the first. When both halves have stiffened up, remove the paper from the inside and smooth out the seams. Place the two hemispheres together and check the fit. Compress and expand until they are aligned all the way around. Score deeply and slip heavily both halves. Carefully align and gently press together with palms and thumbs. Adjust the fit by pushing in more with one thumb than the other. Also, you can squeeze the parts together by pulling the fingers towards the palm of the hand. Once well sealed, smooth the seam by scraping with a knife, both across and with the seam. Make sure to go in a curved motion, not a straight line. Look at the outline of the sphere and refine the circular shape by patting with a board. Continue to rotate the ball in different directions and patting until all is circular. Sure to place a small hole someplace to avoid explosions. Store on top of a can or cylinder to keep the round shape until dry. Use the sphere as part of a larger sculpture, or incise, texturize, and/or carve the surface, fire, and glaze.